Hi, my name's Allie.
And I'm Carson, and we're here to talk to you about hydroelectric power.
Hydroelectric power is power generated by the movement of water, the production of electrical power through the use of gravitational force of falling or flowing water.
So basically, you get energy from flowing water.
Hydroelectric power is good for the environment because it helps control flooding. This is a photo of a dam. A dam is a barrier constructed to hold back water, resulting as a reservoir, which could be used in the generation of electricity or as water supply.
Dams are good because water is always flowing, so we are not using harsh fuels or gases to create our energy. This is an example of a hydroelectric power plant. This is the Grand Collet, a hydroelectric power plant on the Columbia River. Its three main purposes are irrigation, power production, and flood control. It provides energy for more than 1 million houses and is the country's largest hydroelectric project.
Here is how the hydroelectric power plant works.
Hydropower is energy generated by water movement. Electrical energy generated by water motion is often called hydroelectric power. Larger hydroelectric stations, which can generate enough electricity for hundreds of thousands of people, usually involve damming a river. Dams are often built high in the mountains where valley sides are steep. Gates in the dam wall can be opened and closed, directing water through pipes that are angled downhill. The moving water in these pipes turn turbines that are attached to massive generators underground.
This is the Chief Joseph Dam on the Columbia River. It was constructed in 1961. It has a spillway of 980 feet, and it has an astonishing number of 19 gates.
Wow, 19 gates? That's definitely huge, but the biggest dam in the world is the Three Gorges Dam in China on the Yangtze River. It can provide an amazing 10% of China's total energy needs.
Wow, amazing. As you can see, dams are a big part in creating easy and clean energy without using harsh chemicals and smoke, which can destroy our ozone layer and create worldwide pollution.
Yeah, dams can create jobs and bring tourist attraction from around the world, which can boost their economy.
Another example is the popular Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls has been producing energy since 1882.
Wow, that's a long time. As you can see, hydroelectric power plants have been a great source of energy since the late 1800s.
Did you know that in the US, hydropower produces enough electricity to serve the needs of 28 million residential customers?
Wow, that's a lot of houses to power. Well, did you know that the United States is the second largest producer of hydropower in the world? Besides Canada.
That's so cool. Hydroelectric power is a big part of our world, and it's really good for the environment. For example,
Hydropower is clean. It prevents the burning of 22 billion gallons of oil or 120 million tons of coal each year.
hydropower also does not produce greenhouse gases or other air pollution. Hydropower also leaves behind no waste. It is also one of the most inexpensive ways to produce energy.
However, in the last 10 years, the Department of Energy has spent $1.2 billion on research and development for other renewable sources like wind, solar, and geothermal, but only $10 million on hydropower.
In conclusion, hydroelectric power plants are safe, easy, and a non-costly way of producing clean and efficient energy for our world.
Thank you so much for listening. I hope you found this video interesting and educational. Have a great day.